Welcome to the Recursive Sequences online lesson. Below this video you're watching now, you can see the tabs bar that you're going to be using to switch between different pages throughout the website. Below that you can see the Indiana standards for the lesson that you're doing. If you click the first page, Arithmetic Recursive Formulas, that's going to be the first part of the lesson. At the top is listed the objectives, and then you're expected to watch the YouTube video that's embedded and take notes as you're watching. After you're done with that, you'll answer the questions right here on this link, and that's just for self-reflection. Then you'll go to Geometric Recursive Sequences, do the same exact thing. You will watch the YouTube video and then answer the questions for self-reflection. Once you feel confident about both of those parts of the lesson, then you can test your understanding using this Quizlet. And then after that, you're all finished.